3, 2, 1, go. So I got 1.2 Ks. So straight on press, so kinking to the right a little bit, and yep, good. I've got 1.6. Caution puddle inside, so I'll give you another warning when we're closer. Caution puddle inside a corner. Yep. 200, 100, caution puddle inside. Might be this one. Then we'll have 100. Okay, that's it. 100, straight on. So follow main road around to the right. Yep. Right, 1 kilometre, then we'll keep right. Keep right. 100, keep right. So follow the main road up here, yep. 230, caution, road goes right. Caution, road goes right. Yep. You got 1.4 kilometres. On caution, straight on. So this next call, we're going to have drains on both sides and some offset intersections, so be careful. Yeah, 500 metres, we'll go caution straight on at offset crossroads. Drain on inside, trees on left and right. So 400, 300, caution straight on at offset crossroads. 100. Caution. Yep, let's go straight through there. Nice. Got 1.7 kilometres to the next call. Kilometre. 500 metres, road goes right. 300. 200. 100, road goes right. And you might need to bear with me, this is where we've got some corrections now, so I might get a bit confused. About 800 metres, going to go straight on through crossroads. I'll be sort of following it slightly to the right. 500, 400, 300, 200, 100. So we're going to be following slightly to the right over the crossroads. Yep. We've got 1.7 k's, but just be careful because I'm not sure if I've written this down correctly, so there could be. Our next one is going to be straight on, then 40 straight on, but it'll be curving around to the left. I think 1 kilometre. Ease up here, mate. 500, I think. 400, 300, 200, 100. It's straight on, then straight on. We're going to be sort of. Oh shit! That's not what the fucking thing looked like. Yep, straight on, then straight on. 900 metres. I think it's 900 metres anyway. We'll have caution, road goes right, puddle on inside. Actually, sorry, it's not a caution, just road goes right, puddle on inside. 400, 300, 200, 100, road goes right, puddle on inside. 230, and then we'll have a straight on. And that's him. 1.3 kilometres to the finish.